What now? Just to let y'all know, I ain't been on YouTube today. I've been outside. I'll show you here. I'm doing another tray. I don't know if the sunshine is gonna let you see that. I'm doing another tray of seeds. I'm gonna tell you this. I went to Home Depot. It had more cars in that parking lot than I have ever seen. There was a lot of people inside and they were keeping their distance. That tape's on the ground too, certain places. But I'll tell you what were people buying? Any kind of cleaner they could find. Gardening stuff. Garden dirt. Garden soil. Seeds. Plants. Maybe people are starting to understand. We may have more gardens out there. You garden YouTubers. Hopefully y'all can increase and have more people watching your videos and learn things from you. Something else that's flying off the shelf you can't find is yeast and flour. I think I talked about that in another video. Well, what better thing to do but make a video showing how to make bread at home. Yeah, Booger's got one out today. I know it, but I have not seen it. I will be watching it. I just checked. It had 777 views. Nice. Watch. How do I say this? Think of things in your head that are going to be good for future. You know, like me, I'm my outdoor cooking. It ain't fancy. Anybody can do my cooking. Yeah, I don't do no gourmet stuff. Yeah. I'm gonna try to clean up a little bit out here. Oh, let me show you something. I took PVC pipe, I've cut them in 6 inches. Actually, they're a little bit bigger than 6, so the last one's a little short. I'm planting my corn in these in the ground, and I can weed eat around them and keep the weeds away from them, because I ain't tilling this year as far as I know. This is going to be awesome. I'd show you all of them, but I don't want you to see the other stuff that's over there. I didn't videotape cutting them or anything. You don't need to see that. What we got over here? Check this out. A lot of my seeds the last time did not work. So here's what I'm doing right now. See if we can get y'all focused in on that. You stop. Alright, so Booger has cabbages, and I thought, I'm going to try lettuce. I may need to do it in the fall. We'll see. But anyway, so here's my starter kit right there. As I say, this normally would be on my unfiltered channel. I'm doing on this one for entertainment reasons. Gonna do some super snappy carrots, lettuce. Got some okra. Gonna do the corn again. I got some sunflowers. I'm gonna plant those. Yeah. And here's my grid to tell me where what is. Yeah, the other ones just didn't. I don't know what I did wrong. We're gonna try this again. Oh, and another thing. So on my drive, yeah, there's not that many people on the road per se, but I saw families like right in front of their front door enjoying the sunshine this afternoon and yesterday. Yeah, I get out of the house just because I gotta see what's going on out there. There was like 20-something cars up here at the church. Everybody's parked far apart from each other. They're all wearing masks and gloves, some staying in their cars, and some of them, though, they were standing like 6-8 feet away and just talking to other people. I think they're just all going stir crazy at home. And they all got together and decided they'd do that. Saw a man over here and his 2 boys out throwing a baseball. It's awesome. People need to be outside and get that sunshine rays. Don't forget, there's going to be a baby boom in 8 or 9 months. Yes, sir. You better get your yeast and your flour when you can, too. And go watch Booger, and you learn how to make it. That's right. A bunch of how-tos and DIYs and stuff. There's enough people in our own community to watch and learn stuff from, because preppers have been prepping for years on here. And people cooking, or it's the air fryer, or outdoors, or in that sooty doo thing. There's a bunch of other cookers out there. But you can take anything from any one of them cookers and cook it your way. Just learn how to do it. Y'all get out there, cook from home. Quit buying the frozen stuff and throwing it in the oven or the microwave. Learn how to do it yourself. Make it a goal this year. Change things. All right, it's Papa. Papa, Texas. Y'all stay blessed, safe, healthy, and we'll see you next time. Oh, I got a video I need to be editing and getting out. It's a cooking video. Papa made a cooking video. That's right, and it's got 3 giveaways gonna be in it. Yeah. See y'all. Get that bell.